welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Hey y'all, welcome back. So today we're going to try out the Burano My Nail My Way Temperature Color Changing Polygel Kit. And this polygel kit was pretty amazing. It came with your standard instructions, a nice little picture instruction, which I always think is so helpful, how to prep, how to do a simple nail form, dual form type. It also comes with some clear nail forms, and y'all know I'm obsessed with these. Like, I was so amazed when I first saw them. Comes with dual forms, and these are not that curved, so that's pretty cool. I think that others are like really curved, so I think that these are doable. I'm definitely gonna try these out. Also comes with some nail tips. I was so shook, not gonna lie. They're really good quality, not too shabby. This kit also comes with your standard just like damping dish, which I think is really useful. I'm actually using one right now, so I really liked it. Comes with your 3-in-1. This is go-to, okay y'all? Nail glue, base coat, and it's so bomb. I love it. Top coat also comes with a mini slip, which is really cool. Just in case you didn't like that 3-in-1 slip solution, you can also use regular slip solution. So Burano nail filer, and then a dual-ended brush. And it comes with not 1, not 2, not 3, but 8 poly gels. So you're getting a really good deal for this polygel. I'll link everything down below. I love Burano because not only is their stuff so affordable, but their quality is so bomb. So really take advantage of the links down below. So I went ahead and swatched everything for y'all, and I know I usually do like actual swatch sticks, but I thought it would be more useful to see them side by side and how they change in color. That way I wasn't getting like confused when I put them in the UV light. So this is number 3. Number 3 is like a really deep red. It's really pretty. Look at this. Love that. Then we have number 4, and I'm just swatching all of these, and they're really good consistencies. I never complain about Burano's consistencies because they got it down, okay? Their consistencies are so good. This one is a nice, look at that, such a pretty purple. Number 6 is a nice blue, and it turns into a really pretty blue. I love the way these transitioned. You know, some transitional like colors at the polygel temperatures, they're like kind of just white, or you know, like just a really random color, but I like how these colors transitioned into lighter versions, so I thought that was really good. This is when they are fresh out of the bottle, and then right now I'm gonna show you after I cured, and look how pretty. You see that? Like, they're really transitional, beautiful colors. They're not just like random colors. They're lighter versions of the original colors. So really love that. I did go in with the nail tips. Now I was kind of bummed because I have very small nail beds. So the smallest one fit my index finger. So I did had to trim my nail tip on the sides in order for it to fit. So that might just be my problem, but just saying, if you have small nail beds, you're probably gonna have to trim the sides. But anyhow, you go in with a base coat, a 3-in-1, and you cure that for 60 seconds. After I did my base coat, I went in with number 4, and I put a really big bead, because these are hella long tips, on my thumb and on my pinky. Now, as I said before, I really love the consistency that Burano has. Jam-packed, nailed it, okay? Literally nailed it. So after I patted everything down, I am actually using the slip solution. I'm not using the 3-in-1, but 3-in-1 is pretty simple as well. I just need to practice with it more because I don't like when it gets on my skin. But anyhow, I think that this consistency is awesome. The color is beautiful, and I'll let y'all enjoy that application. Isn't it so pretty when it cures? It kind of looks like a little ombre. Alright, I'm going in with number 7, and I'm doing an ombre on my index finger with purple on the bottom and then the turquoise color being the one that's dragging into. So my purple color I'm doing from the tip up to the cuticle, and my turquoise color I am going from the cuticle down to the tip. I am curing in between, so make sure that you do that. But y'all, how's everyone's day going? Let me know what y'all think down below. Any questions, comments? What's your name? Who are you? I would love to interact with all y'all, so thank you so much for watching. With number 2, I am just going in with my middle finger and my ring finger. Now, at first glance, you're like probably thinking, why do you have all these color choices? And y'all, you're gonna see when you put it in the UV light, you're like, whoa, these colors are like a really big difference. But honestly, you're just gonna love the final results. I'm like literally obsessed with it. I almost did not want to take them off, but you will see how it comes out. after I cured my nails, like look at the difference, but I love it. No, it comes out really good, watch. I cured my nails, I cleansed my nails, and then off camera I filed with my Melody Susie nail drill, buffed and shaped everything, and it just came out so pretty. Now this, y'all, this is what makes it all come together. Sometimes you do nail looks and you're like, I'm not feeling it, what did I do? But no, watch what I do with these amazing gems that I got from Krowned Krystals. I'll link her down below. And the finished result is just obsessive, honestly. So I'll let y'all see my gem work. I was really kind of just going for the gems to contrast that index finger, and I think it come out so cute. So let me know what y'all think. Alright y'all, so when I finalize my nails, I am just putting a base top coat, on all of them, curing that for 60 seconds. And after, I'm going to show you this beautiful finished look. Boom, look at how pretty. Oh my gosh, I really love this look. Put some cuticle oil on, of course, and that is it. Like, look how beautiful they came out. I am obsessed with the fact that my thumb and my pinky are like a white color, and then my middle fingers are like pink, and then the blue, and then the gems, they contrast. They're just, I'm obsessed, y'all. Like, I'm seriously just obsessed. But then when they cooled down, so I did end up putting my hand in some cold water. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, y'all. So let me know what y'all think. I'm over here drooling at my nails. Let me know what y'all think down below. Make sure you comment, share, and like this video. If you're not a part of the DIY Familia, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And nos vemos en la próxima.